This is how I got ready for Soham's Moonji. This is my sari. I loved the pallu. Beautiful roses, beautiful plants. Sweaty, sweaty. All the makeup is like mudde mudde. Antu antu. But here's the speciality is when you sweat and eat that hot, hot jawan, everything starts coming, sweat starts dripping. And I'm finally reunited with the family. Yay! Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. This is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. I reached Amanaka's house here and had a bath, and now I'll get ready in a while. This is my sari, and that's the blouse, and that's the skirt. I'll show it to you. So I forgot to bring bangles and sunscreen. So thank God for Swiggy Instamart. I ordered it here, and here we have sunscreen and bangles. This is sunscreen. This is bangles. See, bangles are beautiful. Wow. ನಾ ಸೈಜ್ 2 6 ನಿಜ ಅವನು ಮಿಗೆಲ್ 2 4 ಏ ಅವ ಬದ ಮಕ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ ಹೊಡ್ಗೆ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಳ ಮಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಡ್ಗು ಸೈಜ್ ఎక్కువ సైజ్ అసిల బదలెక్కని స్విగ్గీ ఇన్స్టామార్ట్ These bangles were from Swiggy Instamart. Paid 350 rupees for them. Came to my aunt's place in just 6 minutes. How did you like it? Let me know in the comments. Ganesh mom and Amaneka made good breakfast for me. Pova usli and buns.
1 hour later.
This is how I've gotten ready. Let me show you. This is my handy. Bring it up. Ah, ah. Yeah, this is how I got ready for Soham's Moonji. This is my sari. I loved the pallu. Let me know. Oh shit, did I spoil the jar? No. How did you like the pallu? Let me know. How did you like the sari? How did you like the blouse? I loved the blouse and the sari. All of it is from Meesho. This you won't believe is from Swiggy Instamart. Got home in 6 minutes. In Udupi, I got it from Swiggy Instamart. Very beautiful bangles. And beautiful backdrop in Jyotiaka's house. This is my Mangal Sutra. And yeah, this is the matching set. They are in bus now. This is an express bus which we took from service bus stand in Udupi. The bus goes from Udupi to Mangalore, and I will get down in Mulki where I have to attend another function. And the bus ticket costed 65 rupees. Best surprise today was this bangles too from Swiggy Instamart. I cannot imagine. I cannot imagine. Wow. The plan was to attend a function in Mulki. Mulki is around 35 minutes from Udupi, and I will attend the function and then leave from there to Karkala in another bus, and that bus journey would take another hour. So all in all, I had to reach Karkala by maximum 12 p.m. That was the plan. Hey, no, so it's too hot in Udupi here. Pausayla reach Udupi, weird weather. Here, if it rains, also it's very hot. What worse in Udupi, Mangalore, January to December is hot. There is no cool. Thandi madalena. Kaye ke November, December ay chura little bit it will be cold. That's all. Entire year it's hot and humid. Even monsoon The rainy season, it's what, July 12 today. Look at the weather. Where is rainfall? It's supposed to rain like crazy here. पिशिशी पाऊस येऊ का ना आता पाऊस हो ना पाऊस ना एकला लायक झालाय good for me but it's hot. This is Ganpati temple near my grandfather's place. Also, there is Ugra Narasimha temple in Mulki, which is very famous. Please do visit if you are in and around Mulki. We started from home at 9:30 and there was some calculation mistake, bro. I actually reached Karkala at 12:30 when the entire function was over. So that's how things turned out. And I could not record most of the Moonji because the Moonji was almost over. So I will share you the clips of the day which was recorded by the family members, and I hope I can walk you through the Moonji. And I'm finally reunited with the family. Yay! Hi, hi. Hey. I'm This is Suraj Kamal family. Say hi. But I came to the Moonji after the Moonji is over. After the Moonji is over, I finally reached. This was the decoration, beautiful Ganpati and beautiful flowers and two elephants Ganpati on the side. And here are some pictures and videos from the Munji. This is the Urda Muhurat where the Munje Varetu, that is the boy and his mother, both are grinding horse gram in that chakki. Everybody puts the horse gram 5 times and then they will turn that chakki around. So almost everybody in the family does this. All the ladies in the family do this. The Munje Varetu, that is Soham's sisters, also do it. The Munje Varetu, that is the groom, is also shown Aarti. And then this is the ritual where the groom's hair is cut and then he's given a bath. It is a fun ritual where everybody pours water on his head and it's all generally cold water and poor boy is shivering, and then he's dressed so beautifully. He's dressed this way and then his mamu and mai bring him to the hall, to the mandap, and then this is the last time probably he's sitting on his mother's lap. On the day of Brahmopadesha, the boy becomes a brahmachari and he practices celibacy and practices the Vedas, studies Vedas and becomes spiritual. He sits on his mother's lap and she feeds him curd poha, and then the sister also applies kajal to his eyes. And then Soham, the Munji Varetu, that is the groom, is now made to wear orange colored vesti and clothes. And here, this is the main, most important part of the Brahmopadesha, the Janeu. So the Janeu is a sacred thread that is worn to the boy, and then here the father whispers Gayatri mantra into the groom's ears, as the father is said to be the first spiritual guru of the son. And then Soham sits and asks for Bhiksha from everybody and says Bhavati Bhikshan Dehi, as people give him Bhikshe. Ah, yes, Also, hey, if you're watching the video without hitting that like button, go hit that like button now. And if you're new, please do subscribe. Let's reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. I upload two long videos every week and shorts almost daily, so don't miss out on that. In my head, I was really debating if I should come to this function all the way from Bangalore, leaving the baby all alone. But after I came here, it felt so good to meet all my cousins, all the family members. It felt really, really nice. And this was very much needed break also. And this is Nalin Pachi, my mother's younger sister. And after the Munji, this is the Thirli Vorches ritual where the Munje Varetu Soham's sisters will bring Tile Undo, Tilke Laddu, and will feed him. So that's the preparation going on here. That's Soham's sister Shrishti feeding him Tile Undo. And for all the Tila Unda and the Thali that they brought for Soham, all the sisters also get some gift. Everybody's happy that way. I tried my level best to narrate the rituals as they were happening. I may be wrong. Please excuse me for all the factual and customs error that I might have made. If there is any bug, please do raise a Jira ticket in the comments and I will get back to you through the process. And after this was the time for family photos. So everybody started hunting for Rajkamal family members. Does this happen in your house too? Because when you go for family photo, somebody or the other is missing, and then you start screaming their name and calling them, and nobody focuses at one phone. Once the photographer clicked the photo, everybody just ran away. And this is Rajkamal family of Salmar, Vittal Pai, and Prema Pai. Now search for people in this photo and let me know if you're related to somebody in the comments. That's what Konkanis do, right? And then this was a surprise. I met my father-in-law who had also come to attend the function. Then after meeting everybody and talking to everybody, now comes the most favorite part of the function for me, the food. I hope it's your favorite part of the video as well as the function too. Amchigele and food is inseparable. You start thinking about the function's food 1 week prior to the function. What is going to be the khan? What is going to be there for 11 a.m. breakfast? What's going to be there for the lunch? Goshant kasan astalaba, api paiski, dud pakki, sweeta boxan kasan astalaba. All these thoughts. And surprisingly, most of the Rajkamal family guys sat together for lunch, and hence we had some laughs and good moments here as well. And the banana leaf arrived. This was nanche and tendle talasan, and then puri, chanangashi, and paneer randai, which was very, very yummy. The paneer randai was very yummy. This was cabbage sanna polo and pagila pod. Sanna polo was totally a surprise. Wow, bro. The saru was also very tasty. Rice saru. And this was Karkala's famous Dalitoi, Amchigele's Kuldev Dalitoi was here. And this was the sweet box. And after all this, I made some place in my banana leaf as well as in my stomach for ice cream and appi paisa, which was too yummy. And after 2 months of staying in Bangalore, this Amchigele function Javan just healed my heart, my soul, my everything. The function was such a beautiful, grand success. The stage decor was so nice, and the lunch and preps and everything was really, really good. This was the entrance decoration. And after this, we went to my sister-in-law's place where we had freshened up and had a nap, and then went on a Karkala tour. And all that I'll cover in the next part of the video. And beautiful backdrop in Jyotiaka's house. Beautiful roses. Beautiful plants. Yeah, अभी झाड़ लगा खाली. Oh, too much shake, but sweaty, sweaty. All the makeup is like mudde mudde, antu antu. But here's the speciality is when you sweat and eat that hot jawan, everything starts coming. Sweat starts dripping. The beauty of your South in our Mangalore, Udupi, Mangalore side. Yeah. And that's my cousin Sunil Malya and Vanni Surekha. And here are some pictures from the day. That's all I have for this one. If you're new, please do subscribe. If you like the video, hit that like button and hype the video. You can hype it 3 times. And let me know how did you like the vlog in the comments. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.